Today, we're gonna look at steam inhalation therapy. In front of me, I've got an electric steamer. Okay? And why I choose to discuss steam inhalation therapy and demonstrate the procedure is because a lot of persons now who've got come down with COVID or flu, they actually can benefit from this therapy significantly, without a doubt. Steam inhalation over the years has been something persons have been using at the home for many years ago to help to open the airway and help us to get rid of toxin, mucus, and help to clear the airway. What the therapy does is the inhalation with water vapors. That's basically it. Steam inhalation is water vapors that we inhale, and that can help the body significantly to reduce build-up of mucus. Now, what we need to remember is that when we find ourselves having a problem like a cold or a stuffy nose, it's triggered by inflammation. Okay? And what I want you to know is that majority of diseases that we are going through now are caused by inflammation. Okay? So when we have a cold or a cough, it's because there's an inflammation in our upper respiratory tract. Okay? And that's why we're gonna do steam inhalation today. So we can help the body, or as I can say, that we can give the body what it needs to help to eliminate this congestion that we are experiencing. So there's bacteria somewhere that need to get out, or pathogen. Something is there that doesn't need to be there. So the steam inhalation is gonna help us to aid the body and give it what it needs to remove the pathogen or the toxin or the mucus or the inflammation that is there. Now, the benefits of breathing in water vapors, okay, is that it helps us to feel less congested. The moisture that we take in, and it helps to break up the mucus, and it helps the blood vessels in our nasal passage to empty out whatever it is that is there causing the blockage, or get rid of what is there irritating you or causing this build-up of mucus. Yes? So what the steam inhalation will do is allow the blood vessel become warm, and they open up, and whatever is there will flow out. And this will improve our breathing within a short period of time. Let's look at some of essential oils. There's a lot of essential oils out there that we can use to enhance this therapy and will be beneficial to the body as well. So the main one that a lot of persons are discussing at the moment are eucalyptus oil. Eucalyptus oil helps to reduce fever and fights viruses. Okay? So that's one of the one that a lot of persons really love to use, and that is proven that it helps us with the COVID and cold. Another one you can use is tea tree oil, and this tea tree oil helps to inhibit bacteria and fights infection. Okay. The one that I like most is my lemon oil. It smells fantastic. So the lemon oil clears the nasal passage, and also it helps us to breathe easier. So now to what we need to do our steam inhalation therapy. If you're at home and you don't have a steam sauna like this one, an electrical face steamer, you can get a bowl, a pot of water, get your kettle or pot of water. Please remember, don't burn yourself. Be very careful. You get your bowl or a water, you need a towel, and you need your essential oils. Now guys, when you go out to get your essential oils, please ask questions and read the manufacturer's instruction and follow the directions carefully. Not all essential oils are used for inhalation therapy. Not all essential oils can be used on the skin. Now, as I speak about skin, essential oils that can be applied to the skin need a carrier oil to mix with in order for it to be effective to your skin. Okay? On a second note, which is very dear to me, please, I'm asking everyone, do not use essential oils on children under 1 year. Please ask a homeopathic, a naturopathic doctor, a professional, if in doubt. If you go out, guys, to buy your essential oils and there is no information on it, somebody's just saying it's good, it's this, there's no clear instruction and direction and guidelines, please do not use it. Do not purchase it. All right. Now, I must say there's another one, that's the clove oil, which is antiviral and antifungal. So clove oil, eucalyptus oil, and lemon oil are the three favorite, very effective in clearing airway and help to remove symptoms of blockage. Now, with COVID, sometimes persons said, oh, I can't breathe properly. Add a little bit of peppermint in it and also have some warm peppermint tea. Okay? Now, you need to make sure if you're using any oil, peppermint, you need to find out it's edible. Okay? Because essential oil must not be consumed by the mouth. Okay? So what we are planning to accomplish with this therapy is that we want to give the body what it needs to expel, to push out whatever toxins are there in our body. This is now my electric steamer, okay? And it's got a on switch. We can 1 or 2. 2 is very high, okay? What I do to speed up the process, I got some warm water in a cup here, which I will pour inside the base of my steam machine, okay? And what I'm gonna use eucalyptus oil, okay? And yes, this one can be used on the skin, and it also can be used on bath, and it can be used as for inhalation therapy. So I'm just gonna put 2 drops inside. Right. And then I'm just gonna wait for the water to heat up properly, and then you will see the steam coming out. Okay? Please, guys, if you're at home and you're not well, you're struggling with flu, these simple methods anyone can use. Please, if you don't have the essential oils, just use warm water. Just use the water, you will still get some benefit, guys. Okay? So now I can hear, yes, I can hear the bubbles. I can hear the water bubbling up. Yes, I don't know if you're able to see the steam coming out, but there's some level of steam coming out. Let me turn my camera down. You can see the steam there, okay? And then I put on cap. Yeah. And then the steam now will comes through my cone. Okay, so this is my sauna cone. So what you need to do is sit on your chair, put your bowl, and you have your water, hot water, and you put your essential oil in. And then you're gonna put your face over your pot, your bowl, and that steam comes up. Now, to get most of the steam in the face, to the nose, to the mouth, and just central to where you want it, then it's very good. So we get a towel. So we'll use a towel and we're gonna cover over the head just to get the steam, all the steams where we really want it. Okay? And what you're gonna do, you're gonna do this for about 10 minutes, and you're gonna breathe in and count in your mind for about 15. So you're gonna take deep breaths, and you will feel that steam, that vapor going up in the nasal passage. Now guys, just to let you know, steam burns. So please, if it's too hot for you, lift your head a little, another inch or two, and what is actually more tolerable for you, please. And you're gonna breathe in and out. Remember, count to 15 or 20, whatever makes you comfortable. And halfway through the process as well, you open your mouth. Okay? And you breathe through the mouth as well and through the nostril. Okay? So I'm gonna do that as well. I'm gonna do that for about 10 minutes. Please be mindful that, remember, steam can burn. Okay? And what I'm doing this video is to help you and I, that we can actually lend a hand to those out there who needs our help and our support. We may not be able to do it for them, but we can send them this video that they can follow, and that they will have the benefit that the steam inhalation can give to improve the symptoms. So guys, thank you for joining. Please like, comment, and share this video. Remember, stay safe and stay blessed. Bye.